needed one! Why won't they stop coming?
Wait, is that literally me? We've all been there. One hand covered in chicken sauce, desperately trying to grab just one wet wipe, only to pull out a giant clump. Why do they have such amazing teamwork when we don't want them to? To solve this frustrating problem, Team Multisoap has stepped up to ensure wet wipes come out exactly one shade at a time. Why is this a real problem? For hygiene, stuffing extra wipes back into the pack contaminates and dries them out. For waste, it leads to unnecessary economic and environmental waste. For brand value, clumping signals poor quality, hurting customers' satisfaction and repeat sales. Multisoap is the ultimate solution, saving the environmental, cutting costs, protecting and brand reputation, and delivering ultimate convenience.
Before introducing our product, let's look at the market alternative. Sundong이 one-step case. It uses a cross-shaped opening to dispense one wipe at a time. The idea is good, but it costs nearly 27. That's why we created our product. It features an intuitively simple V-shaped structure. No complicated setup. Just fit it onto your existing wet wipe pack, and you're set. It flexibly fits any size of wet wipe opening. Less hassle, lower cost, universal fit. This is the ultimate solution.
The primary reason commercial wet wipes often pull out multiple sheets at once is due to the interfolding method adopted during the manufacturing process. This technique, which involves overlapping and folding the top section of the next sheet with the bottom section of the preceding one in a zigzag pattern, is widely used not only for wet wipes, but also for facial tissue boxes. While it is highly popular for its convenience, naturally pulling up the subsequent sheet with wet wipes, unlike dry facial tissues, suffer from strong addition caused by their inherent moisture. This is ultimately leads to the frustrating problem of multiple sheets clumping together. To solve this issue while still preserving the inherent benefit of the interfolding method, we have devised an engineered and optimized V-shaped steel structure. Although the structure appears simple, it is highly sophisticated design that perfectly utilizes the principle of fabric friction. When the wet wipes pass through the precision-designed narrow V-steel, the sloped surface applies the ideal amount of pressure and friction to the overlapping joint between the wipe. At this exact moment, this friction acts as a brake, firmly anchoring the top of the next wipe the instant the first one is pulled out. Consequently, it completely breaks the addition between the two fabric surfaces, ensuring that users can cleanly
explain why it is reasonable for us to urge the use of Multisoap. We have good reasons in terms of economy, eco-friendliness, convenience, and versatility. First of all, speaking of economics, it only costs a few hundred won to make this product in mass production, so anyone can use it without any burden. Next is the eco-friendliness aspect. The amount of wet wipes to be thrown away will increase, and it will be a waste of resources environmentally. Next is the aspect of versatility. Considering the size of our product and the type of product, it is compatible with all wet wipes on the market. Therefore, if you have this product, you will be able to use the wet wipes conveniently without any inconvenience, even if we think it's a small inconvenience in our daily life. If we show a solution to this inconvenience and adapt it, we'll see that it's not a smaller inconvenience than we think.